is to educate through technology. We're a bilingual primary school, and our science lessons rule. And it's robotics and engineering that makes us move. With the best educational tools, we know that mark the future rules. And in this primary school, where we groove, we improve. What the students see through virtual reality is we can code it and load it on Lego and iPad electronically. In our primary endeavor, we can all learn together. And it's maths and music production that makes us move. With the best educational tools,